नमस्कार दोस्तों, जय हिंद. This one is for you. Trust me, you'll like this. Stop posting random SEO blogs. You're doing it wrong. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Marketing Hacks. Today we are breaking down something most people completely mess up, the SEO funnel. SEO is a funnel, top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. Each type serves its own purpose. Top of funnel, tofu, drives awareness. Middle of funnel, mofu, helps research. Bottom of funnel, bofu, guides decisions. If your content isn't getting traffic, you're probably skipping tofu. Tofu content equals education, not selling. Answer basic questions, solve beginner problems, show up before they are ready to buy. Traffic comes from trust, and tofu is how you earn it. If you're getting traffic but no leads, your MOFU is weak. MOFU content equal to comparison plus clarity. Explain how it works. Show pros versus cons. Answer, is this right for me? That's how curiosity turns into intent. If people visit your site but don't buy, your BOFU is missing. BOFU content equals to decision content. Case studies, testimonials, pricing, demos, offers. This is where trust turns into sales. No BOFU equals to no revenue. Without a funnel, SEO is just talk. With a funnel, SEO becomes predictable growth of the concept. Thanks for watching till the end. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with your crew, and subscribe for more marketing hacks.